Ame mo bibi akwa aba emfa ombra Mega TV efidikesi eso Kwabena Agyei Japan eye one of the MPP na omo presidential candidates ano no so ohwe animu se MPP for betimi ato aba ama no na watimi abe president ana watimi abe the flag bearer de MPP 2023 na owura iwe ekowie akiri se the system no any the machineries ni na fight against one nipa nwotwe aye papa compare kokene de Japan na oka ho bi because mekai say no mu ye 10 ana no mu ye 9 is it 10 ye 10 owe mo to obani we no wadan ni e de akire Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia camp it's an selfish interest bi na media de bia meka politics no Ghana ha no mama yehu se ye mpanfo di omudi oman ni nim no anye sebi ebudu sebi enya do e oman ni yedie ntia anye sebi oman no eno mpani yie anka right from 1992 Ghana ye draw a constitution enka eden ene esi ho kwan se oman a ye wo ejapade bebre otoman kuma ba de wandi aboro ye wo gold ye wo manganese ye wo bauxite ye wo diamond ye wo petrol even petrol do kwa na free ensa ye wo crude oil ye wo lithium na nsi discover ye wo chese timber everything I am oman no ejina as a developed country you bu kromwa ade ba kope ena ye decide say ye nwiso eno ani ye nyansa enti for that matter no ye mpanfo a omudi enim ayo madwense ombebo ya boro na mo man wi enkoso emmatima bufo nso ye hu enhane ye enti de bia beti no na the few aristocrats and as the few people and omo edidianom ama omofu omano ayesochi but the multitude are always suffering. Kwabena Agyei Japan ayo obi a MPP amanyukunum I think say waye general secretary pen ana meboa I stand to be corrected wadi amanyukun ni pen in the national level but these are the people enema nkoyi a omuntimi nka these are the people when things are going wrong they can't boldly come out and say it. Jina ye ni mbra na mo super delegate conference. Eni bra MPP for the share because of say no mo bomadwin po. Say ombema Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Either hook or crook, he is going to lead the party. Enti na mo decision a mo ada enkono no mo beteke no aye papa hon anu akompre ko ka ho no. Sa decision ni na no na omubotugu na omafa the main person that is Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia Nedie. Some beka omo ye omadwin se na mbeto aba no at baby baako aye Lisa Hotel. Asem we twam but me ka asem edisi asem so. Na mo how things are going around and things will come around. Of course, in Penfoka, things that goes around they always come around. MPP for treat him very, very, very unfairly. They treated you like a trash. And I'm so proud of you, Alan, Koju Chairman, Ejina so if we am you mo. And ne Kwabena J. Ejapon. Akojoni, you are Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Enka obia odi okọ baby dey say odi obi firi obi nka ho mfa ne ho. Ba ye nenim say Alan Koju Chairman wo kurom ha. MPP beye MPP. Yewura Akufo-Addo ebeye president. Ni na ejina Alan Koju Chairman so. The giveaway a o give ye ne handover bi odi ma Yewura President Akufo-Addo 2008. Bra mo koto presidential elections na owura no owo ho akonya senka obedon obekole no for runoff. But owura no etna ase adwen hu se menua panyi na ye Yewura President Akufo-Addo na oye president. Enti maminjai na adudi onko na owia mensumaba adudi hye ne bo yemin nokware de ohye bo ema mpanfo edependent team so ema mu nyina ya adwen kro se Yewura Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo Dr. Addo Dankwa owura no owia he is going to be what? Replaced by Yewura Alan Koju Chairman. Ono mi say na owura na bona adwem po Yewura president say ono de dia odi amani okoyi running mate afri babia obetimi control bi because mo fanchemi the motive behind it ni say Yewura President Akufo-Addo den time oyi MPP ni a wakwadare wo MPP mu e ma ne running mate enka he can not influence that person. Enka di pakro no ontimi enchinchim no se de ne oyi Bawumia onim MPP ho hwea no a sheda mo koseye a omudi ni wura MPP amanyuko ni mu o sheda mo omudi ni wura amanyuko ni mu se I'm Sremo. This is the economic risk, economic zero, economic mercy, economic chatawali, economic stoneboy, and the kika ho kika nse hunu bebi okurum ha. Enti mungi nto memame. Enti ono onim na adwem se nipa oya me medi ni bai. Na me President Akufo-Addo so na medi ni ba MPP mu. Na mbema Bawumia. Inti se ochina bi meka say hey Bawumia you ya oni asenka because I brought you into the party. Straight up, that is the secret. That is the reason why you are President Akufo-Addo Bawumia from nowhere so many running mates. Empo na e breach the laws of the party, but because of nsema okai and some dead okai enti omuji urantum ene Bawumia I was Alan Koju Chairman enka ase debi wo hono ma MPP for the bemana no because ono ena buama mo ba power ono ye ne papa akompre ko Kennedy Japan omo ahoɔden omo sika omo voluntary decisions ayemuye arms giving bi ena mo MPP ebeba power ene sankufo wi na mo agye omo ena omo nenam enam so kwa ma Yewura Alan Koju Chairman wati na frafranto movement Kwabena J. Japan very ungrateful when you be ama wasi ayembo no kro no onenam ena oka because ene owo Bawumia camp no mu didi bom nti wototo bi mu ane Alan Koju Chairman kiremu se Alan the campaign enkoyi unsuccessful and that shouldn't be. You see ye jai sebi utan okodu no wayi ni America Alan is the best politician. No, onim campaign koraa kyɛn Akufo-Addo. But because of sikadie ne adwemmɔne a mode nam kurom ha nti no, moafa Ghana sika no nyinaa na mokyekyɛ ma nkurɔfoɔ sɛ mommra mommɛdi akyi, mommɛyi sei. Na bɛsi yɛte a yɛnya nteɛ ho. Motumi pɛ sika puduo na moatwa mode kɔ baabi makɔha ne nkurɔfoɔ. Yɛwura Matthew Poku Prempeh ne outdooring sika a motwaeɛ mode ma nkurɔfoɔ binom sɛ mombra na mombɛhwɛ bi kɛkɛ na mombɛ fulfill some places. Still koraa no na potholes ɛdeda mu. Enti moanya aban sika, moanya Ghanafoɔ yi sika, yɛ taxes. Yɛ maame dwadini a ɔte dwam ade biara, even obi bɛtɔ ne nneɛma baako si ama no koraa na it can take her about 3 hours, 4 hours na ɔte mu. Na the tax modidi nsɛmhu no all because of tumi. Kwabena gye Japan, Alan Kwadwo Kyerematen ɛda wase. Oni hwee ka kyerɛw. Yɛrɛ ho. Na mommere bɛso. Your time will come. December 7th, and I will be on the ABC Ukruma. December 7th, and you people, you know your smoothness level. Obi do we share November 7th, and yet a bio. A draw on Mrs. Betty when you know, just a twinkle of an eye, a draw. Young Koti Kwabena Japan interview and waka. Wakana potoka semuna utie samokana. So really, I am very ungrateful. And can himself be a becassetia Alana, and so be a becan some being ya our between Alan credibility akofoma, and I shouldn't be a Kwabena Japan. It shouldn't be him at all. But because of Kofuku Adinamako Doniomo, or Mako Joiniomo, or Dom Muntino, he speaks like he is an enemy to Alan. But it can Alan feel of MPP Mayukuno. Ebe cause a lot of, a lot of mess in MPP, and it will affect them negatively in this election. Because mind you, Alan wasn't in UP, United Party, a Honkra Party, and United Progression. Is it Odike Kwame Odike Party no? Kofi Addo was a Kwesi Addo, whoever. Alan wasn't from NDC. Now on can NDC from Alan wasn't from CPP, but then Alan every Amanyoko MPP mo, and I got in the movement. And if you say even one vote crowd to Malana a MPP for vote and a wager, it's MPP for this election. You have even 30, say Fitch solution now must say 38 to 34, say 40% to say, and a crowd money be. Now me say more, they be a me come, and we are more baby no. It will be on records. It will be on records, and it will be in the history book. Because already the Akufo-Addo has set history. Dada. He has set a history as the most wicked and bogus government, bogus president ever. Akufo-Addo is the most wicked and bogus government ever. He does not care what can found and yadaya me adudi and me fear me di unyendibi. Atwemboni say cannot cry children no more etete. Kwabena Japan and yawa ati ura yawa si wenuma yema sietu and ama jire. Na da nyi Kwafi besi no hona obehu de eko. Alan Kwadwo Kyerematen mendi areho. The day of reckoning is coming. I feel for Alan because of na yemu yebi oyeye edimo MPP. Edikaka, Alan wasn't a bad person. Alan is good. He's a good politician and a kind politician. But this crop of leaders in MPP, they have decided to pay him back better. And that same cup of tea and the brand is all normal. This MPP for they will drink the same tea. And honum na umbi unhawa isitie. Kasakwa and American. This is a proverb. Nyankopon shirawo. Kwabena je Japan. Yenkuti in some of the tuga. Mfanchemi, some extended conversation. No be so tini me biase. But the can catch ye hanum ye just say ye mo news ni kekeo. Inti haya na me pacho wama wati masiye. Anye se ye mo news ni keke. Ye the two honoma and I say answer the better one. Ye mo the overview. Ye mo who die esi ye. The enams for my sons in Simbisi ye koso. Ye mo ti politics nasi. Ye mo ti en Simbiasi. That is why we are exceptional and authentic. What you say? Ye different from other platforms. We can never be influenced by any politician. Influenced by Ubia Niepenieka. And mind you, it is only education and what? Revelation. Ye be when it na ya mawa addition of a politician. Because of my way, things are getting out of hand. Yankasa Assembly Badebi. Yankupo Ishra. Yankuti Kwabna Japan. Nishi de Otru. Kobana Kaviana. In the source. Midiana Mega. Subscribe for latest update. Must also be like you. No do comment to never like to me. Was share na for any be a share. BBT me. Akoso. 101. Kwabna Aji Japan. Kasa na ETU.
Not going well. Do you think
I don't want to pass a comment on that? You know,
I don't know why he says that. I don't know whether it's not going well.
And again, I take friendships very seriously. I've had a very long brotherly relationship with Alan Chopin. He's like a big brother to me.
Oh, I see.
You understand? We are very close. We've been very close. I disagree with the decision to leave because I think for something that we've all built with our sweat and toil for over 30 years, and he was the president of the Young Executive Forum at the very beginning and all that. So, and we all took part in this election. I didn't see anything that went so seriously wrong with the election. It's just that I didn't get much of a vote. He had a bit much more than me, but couldn't make it. So I thought he should have just accepted it, and then, as a true Democrat that I know he is, should have worked with the winner of the election, which is Dr. Bawumia. But he's an adult, so we can, but we are friends once in a while. I saw him the last time at a function not too long ago. We had a little chat. I'm sad that he's not with us, but I don't want to comment on that. I really, truly don't want to comment on that, and it hurts me that he's not with the MPP, because I think he played such a big role at the formative years of this party, and having served as the party has also given him a big.
He's the longest trade minister
in the country. Cumulatively,
6 years, 8 years.
Cumulatively, about 11 years, and then ambassador for close to 2 years. So, if you're talking about the party, also,
the party has given him,
provided him a platform. I think he also has to be grateful to the party. It works both ways, and for me, I was disappointed in that decision. But he's still I consider him a friend and a brother, and I think it will remain so. We will disagree politically. I don't think an independent candidate can do much in Ghana. It's not easy to run a campaign. It is not easy to run a presidential campaign. So I knew that it would be tough to go the full hog, and somewhere along the line you may lose steam because the resources.
So when you're going to the campaign, if you can get viewers a bit more information, who is waiting for you there at Bimbilla? Is it the constituency chairman? Is it the MP? Who is waiting?
No. I mean, you mobilize your people.
So some have gone ahead.
Some, yes. I mean, there's a campaign structure. You don't want me to give you.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. As much as you can.
We have a department of advances.
I see.
Yes. I mean,
so it's a full operation.
It's a major one. It's a mighty operation.
But that's expensive.
Very expensive. It's expensive.
Wow.
Even me on my own, running a shoestring presidential campaign, the one I did, decimated all my savings.
I see.
You know,
What is the money spent on?
no, I mean, look, you have to look at the people. Of course, they say that you need some people around you, some senior people. It communicates well. The optics good
Yes.
for the party that, look, we are all rallying around our candidate. People have to sleep in hotels. They have to ride in vehicles. The vehicles have to be powered by fuel.
You have a bus.
Yes,
Talk about me as a bus.
yes. But
you have to fuel it.
the bus is expensive, isn't it?
There's air conditioning in it.
Of course, there is. You know, the bus is better but you know, there are certain parts of the country that the bus can't go. So, for instance, when we were going to Tripoli and Bumpurugu and Yoyo, we had to get four-wheel drives for that. But if you are in most of the country now, because of the work that the NPP has done, I mean, the 168 kilometers from Tamale, Yendi, Zabzugu, Tatale, right to the Togolese border start.
Oh, wow.
For the first time in those days. I mean,
So
Salaga.
that's massive.
In Salaga, you know, this one I can't say it, but there was someone who was, when I was running President Akufo-Addo's campaign then in 1998, one of our coordinators now is a very big chief, so I don't want to mention the name, but he used to appear in Tamale fully brown because it was dust all over.
I see.
I mean, from Tamale to Salaga, through Palbe to Salaga, was hell. Even now, we still have about maybe 8 to 9 kilometers to Salaga, still undone, even today, as we are talking. You know, but we had to do all that. And that should be the breadbasket of Ghana. You should look at the plains, you know, and that area that should be able to supply all our needs agriculturally. You know, so running a campaign and you have to visit.
So you need money, you need people who are dedicated to it, they are working on it 24/7, they have to be
24/7.
intelligence people.
You need logistics.
Yeah.
You need flyers, you need posters, you need flags, T-shirts are now very expensive. You need a lot of
Do you pay the people who attend?
No, you don't do
The large crowd, the youth connect.
You can't do that.
There are a lot of people.
You can't do
So how are they motivated? Do you give them juice, orange juice?
No. Orange juice, I would have to check with the
logistics people.
the logistics people. But
I see.
no, I don't think. I think maybe I've seen people distribute water.
Yeah.
I've seen people distribute water and all that. That's what you do. But of course, I mean, sometimes as we were going around, you give transport. Not to them. I'm talking if you meet a dedicated group and you have to invite somebody to come and listen, you may have to support his transport.
Yeah.
I did so as a candidate, you know, and that has been done from the Dubois Hines days.
Yeah.
So it's part of it. I mean, so it's very expensive.
So now that you are all in Accra, is it a 2 days break? Is it 1 day break? What is it?
I don't know whether I'm allowed to say, but it's cabinet time.
Okay.
So today is Thursday.
Yeah.
So cabinet, I think, is cabinet. So that's why he's here.
He's
and
here,
I think
okay.
he had some duties on police council yesterday. So as he's still the vice president,
Yes, of course.
he's having to walk a very interesting road because he's both the candidate and the vice president. So he's trying to reduce a lot of his official vice presidential functions and concentrate on the ticket, which is more dear to his heart now.
At this stage, yeah.
Yeah, so
Wow.
that's why I think on Sunday we'll be back going to Savannah, the other parts of Savannah.
Oh, you're still in the north. So you're going
Yes.
to clean up the whole north before you start
Not-
descending.
Not all, but most of it.
Okay.
So, I mean, we have a template. And maybe I shouldn't say it.
No, don't
before
say.
our colleagues.
Don't say it.
You know,
Wow. Matthew Poku Prempeh is the running mate. What went into the choice?
But Paul, you know that the choice of a running mate is the sole prerogative of the candidate.
Yeah, but after he's done it, he probably must have shared with you the inner campaign people.
That is not something I want to share with you. I mean,
Okay,
I mean,
I get it.
he called me and had a discussion and,
Yeah.
and said he had settled on Napo. So I called Napo to congratulate him even before the matter came out.
Oh, that's interesting.
Yes, because as soon as I had a discussion with the candidate and he had decided that this is the decision he has taken, then that's fine. I mean, that is his decision. I would advise him, share a lot of insights, but the decision lies with him. This is just a humor, but I think it's important that we cultivate the new politician. You talk to young people, They have such disrespect for us. It's amazing. Kids in school are being questioned on television, and the things they say about us, because you, the media, are part of it. You are just putting out information, and everybody goes in there to fill their bellies, steal.
No, it's the politicians.
You know,
it's really Joe Gatti has been talking about it. He says that people don't respect politicians because politicians came out to tell people that other politicians are thieves, just so that they gain.
I remember in 2007, the 17 of us.
Yeah.
And I met Asidu Nketia, and he had said, "Akrofo do so." You remember that?
Yes,
and I said, Asidu, you don't speak like that. When you speak like that, you denigrate politicians in the eyes of everybody to come back to hunt us. You shouldn't do that. I am not a thief. I've never stolen a cent of public money. I don't do that.
They say it's for political gain.
You know,
because you watch UK and America, especially the UK, you never hear a UK politician call another MP a thief. Never will they do that.
You remember when I was General Secretary?
Yeah.
And some of our people went to picket John Mahama, then President.
Oh, yes. You got upset.
And I got upset. They said, I've been bought by NDC.
Yeah.
I said, no. Once the President leaves the shores of the country, he represents all of us.
You can't go and do a demonstration.
You can't go and call him a thief in Germany.
No.
I will not accept that.
I remember.
Yes.
It was a big fight.
Yes, and I said, I can't accept that. And I said, I don't want the future President Akufo-Addo
to go somewhere
to
and
be
then they do
insulted that way.
Yeah.
So when it happened some few years ago, somebody said Prophet Kwabda Ejiofor. I said, you see, there's always time for the truth. Let's do well as a country. And I feel that you can live a fulfilled life without being fabulously rich.
Yes.
I've never been fabulously rich, not poor, though. I'm quite okay. I get by.
Oh, but you've not been poor. When we were young, you used to give us food at walk-in.
I was as a civil engineer, I was making more money.
We used to come, myself and from Brazil. When we are hungry, we say, let's go to Kala. And then you organize walk-in for us.
When you are doing civil engineering consulting for Bank of Ghana, GASM,
you get something.
Yeah, Ashanti Goldfields, doing big projects, I went into politics to serve, and I want everybody to do so. Yes, you get whatever you deserve.
Yeah.
You'll be compensated. You'll be fine. So you don't need to do the extra things that hurts the economy, that hurts our people. And it's something that I want to be an advocate for the rest of my life, that I remain strong and able. And that's why I'm in this. Decided to stay in the party, unlike some who decided to leave. To support the candidate of our party, because I'm an eternal Democrat. I believe that once the majority have spoken, we've got to respect the majority's decision.
Let me take text messages. People are asking me to.
So that is it. My speechless. Omudi sika. Ghana. Sika eno muyi ni seyo Ghana japade eno muyi ni seyo na ada mo bedati muni ya Ghana fatu obeti ya mono hey awonum na mubi hu there you see your smoothness level some of you say betina ban mu akusi MPP is the most ungrateful party, political party. Omo bu omo kra no, e na omo ye omo bone. Ernest Owusu Bempah we, anye revenue aseda mika onye sofo Owusu Bempah asem. MPP ni Ernest Owusu Bempah na owo Fonka party. Yera Jerry John Rawlings the yiri party. I think they know a secretary. Okasa loud, Didi Mahama Tem. And also MPP for man, Deputy General and Director of Communications. Abua Papu asem na meken. This kind of Abua Papu. Onoba party ni mudaben. Abua Papu. Yini momo. They wasn't part of MPP. But these people are enjoying. Omonye sika pudu. Omonye mfanchi mama tuta adan. Dennis Miracles Abwajiwe. Tescon ono dabe na uwi Tescon sebi political parties ekase how to communicate and he is what? Part of the communications team. And even I think the director, Richard Ahiagwanom. We see, they will never give you position in MPP. Obi a wayi ni bottom sika te se Yewra Otibonsu, George Otibonsu yi. Obi a wayi ni bottom sika de abo MPP. Etimebu MPP mo ko elections. Win over million no. Really, they don't value him. If you check on yembubu ni dan na yem frustrating no je on fa my according to her. Honorable Kennedy Japan. Without him, no, MPP is nothing. That is why Bawumia campaign wasn't popular until Yapapa Kumpreko Epom. And then we say, Fedia, things are getting better. That is why who say you Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, the campaign wasn't popular. No be anti, no be any our static campaign. But the moment Honorable Akumpreko Ebi no, and who say, hey, Bawumia the campaign was our starting. Into Munyere MPP4. By the time you people you realize you'll be in a position and it will surprise you, a best shock him. But said that it will take you by surprise. The day of reckoning is coming. The day of reckoning is coming. And maybe ba bubun kutube apagana facho. And maybe ba mobakache Ghana for say ya yemubone. And there will be one Okano Moka Casafinchero because they thought say they can steal the election and win. Let me tell you, all that plans, sir, if you do in Sinano, you are going to be exposed. Someone here, if you think you can steal this election and win, my friend, don't try because the plans are already the open secret will be in him. It is out in him. Inti mudwumadie amaye no for the past 8 years. 8 years na yekoi. For the past 7 years. Eno ena ebeto aba mambo. MPP4. Inti mama mutu sika masofu biti so usubempa na oba abonten ebeka se osisi di MPP obetimi anwene na for that matter no monam so edi wiye mu na obawini anze ayi usubempa kan se ebewini nti anwene because usubempa hwan Nyankopon dipa usubempa koro ya na okase Nyankopon Bawumia can never sit on the throne nti ne eden na esi na Nyankopon na asana no ndi minimi se Nyankopon asemo beka na waka o se de why den watro no na why de watro de watro no na watro enti MPP4 munyire mo na mwankasa nsa mo and the time is coming. The day of reckoning is coming. And maybe bo and maybe ba na sambre no manhwe ya ebe musisini wie gane sika na mo toto nsase wa bruchiri ayi musisi adan wa bruchiri na mo wie nsase wa Ghana ha nyanya modi akra no na modi benkum eji maybe ba odi mawa onji Safo ibunbe yenkana se median mega medu besi anom mesrew edi di ma ade ba kope ena be yama me eni so obe subscribe na wa like na wa share na foforo nyi bia hwe because sankofo we this crop of leadership they must be kicked out. They must be kicked out. MPP NDC bibia meka utwem kura na kyese NDC for kura de omuba ne kyese omu yewi ma Ghana kyese MPP for ne de the only things and as they only think about who is Gabi Asarotwe Darko ogogo na oba ade o de be ma ne say Gabi Asarotwe Darko is a leading member of the MPP in the New Patriotic Party. But the question is a more specific title be a Gabi Asarotwe Darko ye no MPP. But the question is akwa we and no control Ghana. Gabi Asarotwe Darko and no control Ghana. Ono any kilo forata and no more directives on our financial system. We need Gabi Asarotwe Darko. We one we drop amane na yes. Sankofo we and no control Ghana. And you can send the video mo miss you and they should arrest us. Nti muka mu nsem ni wia na mo mama reply na mo de mo kugina onom say ye jomo licenses omun ka say ye jomo licenses ankopon na eboafo eto de bia eden twe ho ntiase so man we yem painful mo bu yesen ukasa na wageti emotional mama chi wa for him fi New York America brichi mai mo mama yankopon hirawo mama roya bi him fi UK yankopon hira mama roya bi yankopon hirawo Canada mo hweye yankopon hira mo Ghana for more Canada mo say manya information ukopie mu Germany so mo mfa India agro information e da hono yankopon hira mu nyina all the European countries ye platform mo hwe no asidanka mo subscribe. That is the most important thing. Now I like it. I feel so dumadi why stand it ko afie among crofo ahwebi by say do nsa be bo share no so we pia to WhatsApp group bim na nkofo ahu de ye nso ye ka ama wiase na atienka yankopon hirawo ami fa wonsi media na makraw bye bye.